Next, we're going to put some Italian seasoning. Garlic powder. Allspice. Some salt. Pepper and paprika. And then some tomato paste. And the best way to mix this up is with our hands. Okay, as soon as you mix that up and you see the consistency, then we're gonna add a little tad of breadcrumbs. Okay, so you just take a little handful of your cutlet, and you shape it into a flat meat cutlet. You pound on it. A beef patty. I was trying to look for the right word for it. Okay, so you make it on a little beef patty, and then you tap, tap, tap. Again, that tenderizes your meat more. You set it aside until we're ready to go ahead and fry. So if you see some of your onions are really big, they're really tasty when you stuff them inside and just close it up. When we cook them, make sure that your onions are tucked good because they will fall out and all that yumminess is gonna go in that pan. So, pat that patty. Let's try that again. Pat that patty. I'm gonna call this pat that patty. Pat that patty. All right.
Thank you for watching Galore Flavors. If you'd like, click down below to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes yet to come. You could also check us out on Instagram and Facebook. I'll see you guys next time.